Please, please, please work. Hi, Nishant, Shush, Shobit. Hey guys, thank you for joining in. Nasra Hussain, hi. How's Dubai? Deepika, hi. I guess this is the only. Hey, hey, thank you, Nasra. Love to everyone at home. Nishant Singh, hi. Pooja Batra and 2 others joined. Is it the same Pooja Batra as mine? Pooja, okay, I got that. Go live. What's happening? Reading for Pooja Batra. Pooj! It may. Hi. Wow.
Hi! It was
You know,
so funny.
sorry, it's not your fault. You're an ace. I'm a bit of a donkey at this. So I had a test done in the morning. You know that can I manage it? So sorry about
Right.
this. Pooja.
No, you know, and the funny thing was, I
In
was
fact,
actually seeing
Instagram
you
and
go
social
through.
media has only been Instagram has been my social awakening only in the lockdown. Trust me, I didn't do much of social media. I had someone do it, and I was really bad at it.
I know
Thank
now.
you.
I know.
So sorry.
Oh, no,
So tomorrow,
absolutely.
so this is why I have to ask you to join me because I'm not good at it, and I don't want to goof up on our shoot tomorrow for NewsX. So what time, Pooja, should we do it?
You tell me what time is good for NewsX.
They want to go by your convenience, so we'll
Uh,
work on that.
we could
So
do it the same time at noon. We could do it at noon.
noon is good because then you have the day for yourself, right?
Yeah,
So we'll do that. Now listen, please see some of
yeah.
your fans, whatever they're asking you, and we want the people to
Uh,
basically tell us what they want to hear from you on
yeah.
television, whatever, I mean, things you and I can sort of talk about.
Right. I mean, I'm a big hello to all everybody who's joined in. This is awesome. Hi, Mr. Shah.
Another
James
Shah.
Joseph, hello. Another Shah. Same last name as mine now.
Yes.
You're looking
I like
lovely,
your
Reena.
American accent, Pooja. I love your voice, by the way. I've heard you with Achla on your live Instagram chat, and it was really nice how you speak in a sweet, like you're everything I would think you are in real. Like when I see you, how you are just that person. So there's no like two
Oh,
people. And I think
thank
you are
you.
a very nice person and a sweet person, Pooja, in addition to your great beauty.
Thank
I can
you.
even
Only a
imagine
sweet
you in a
person and a nice person
But I
can
can't imagine
recognize
you
that.
like in a vampy role, like in a villainous role. I can't
Oh,
ever.
I love to do vampy roles. I love villainous negative.
Really?
It's just like so, yeah, because then I can vicariously live that life. It's so much fun. As an actor, it's just you go
Yeah.
in a
As an
different
actor, I know it's
world.
great to do the
Yeah.
negative characters. Yeah.
Oh, I love doing negative.
But I can't imagine because you really have a bhola face and your sweet
Oh,
voice. Yeah. So
yeah.
so what should we discuss? Like say if we have to go into our talk, should we do a little bit about you can tell us about because you're very fit, I can tell. Like, and how are you zero size in that frame?
Oh my gosh, I'm not zero from any angle.
No?
It's just a nice frame that my husband has put for me.
Well, say hi to Nawab, and I remember
I
him very
will.
well. He's very handsome himself.
I
So
will.
great. Yeah. So what we're going to discuss then I thought is we can talk about little about your fitness. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's great. We can talk about that. We can talk about what else, Reena? We can talk about what we learned during this lockdown or quarantine time.
Yeah.
Um, Also, I really want to support, like I said, the indigenous craft of the tribal people that
Exactly. Yeah.
I think
So that's
has
we are doing that show for Tribes India. It's a
Tribes
government of
India.
India body, and they
Okay.
buy the product from the tribals.
Oh,
And in fact,
lovely.
I've asked them to send you some of the honey, the clove, and the spices. But
Oh,
I
how
didn't
nice.
realize you were not in Mumbai, so the parcels are probably delayed.
Oh, yeah. I'm not in Mumbai. I'm in
Yeah,
Madhya Pradesh right now, and thankfully
in the
here there's a
forest,
lot
like
of
the
in the
trees.
forest greenery, and so thankfully with my parents. So Nawab and I are here. So Mumbai would have gotten pretty claustrophobic given the situation
And
and the
also, it's pretty
scenario.
unsafe and unhealthy Mumbai because of, how it's like New York and
Yep,
it's not exactly. I can hear the
you,
chidiya. Oh,
you
lovely.
can.
I love Madhya Pradesh, by the way. I've seen all the forests and all. It's
You
very
have?
stunning state. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
going to
gorgeous.
work, in fact, with the Tribes India with Bagh. It's a
Oh,
block print they're doing, and
okay.
it's the Bagh print you've seen. It's not like you haven't
Yes,
seen it.
yes,
So
yes.
the only thing is, it's actually like Ajrak. It is 100% sustainable and organic model,
Oh,
which they've
wow.
followed over generations. So
Wow.
to make it more mainstream would be the idea.
It should be promoted. It should be promoted mainstream because, like you said, it's passed on generations, and
Yeah,
something to preserve some art like that or craft like
yeah,
that
yeah,
is, I
yeah.
think, our moral duty, you know.
Exactly. And when asking you guys to help us, and I must say, I appreciate so much your support for this, is that when you endorse something like this, your following is huge. You're biggest influencer, you're a film actor, and you have done both Hollywood and Bollywood, and you're a mainstream Bollywood actor. So I really, I can see a very big paragraph. I wonder what that is. Can you see it?
I think we just missed it.
Distracting.
Raj Sharma is saying hello. So Raj, hello back. Hi. Hi. Again, Raj Sharma is saying hello. Super Shinde, big smile. Hey, everybody.
So there's
It's so
Nasreen
nice.
Sultana, Nazma Kaset, Indian Parliamentary Group. So anyway, UNESCO, UN, Women, Bangladesh. Women are women. We are always
Women are
multitasking.
women. Yeah, so true. So, yeah, so what have you been doing, Reena? Have you been in Delhi all this while through the
Yeah.
lockdown?
So
Yeah,
lockdown has been not so, Delhi is a spacey city. So in
yeah,
that sense, we're very fortunate. And
right.
then to been back with my sons, they're older, like 24, 21.
Oh
Eh,
my gosh.
When we did that show in Dubai,
Yeah.
yonks ago, I tried to look for that footage, I couldn't find it. And
Oh,
before you went on to, I think, do Miss India, that was
oh
that like
my gosh. That must have been
that long back. I
93.
was pregnant with with one of the kids.
Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. It
Yeah.
just feels like 5 years ago.
Well, you
Trust
look the
me.
same, my dear girl. You look like a child, like a
So do
beautiful
you.
young. I got the hair and makeup, I could scrape it. But now
Uh,
I'm happy to be without it. It's nice in lockdown. I've
yep,
learned to live with whatever the fuss was for, actually. So
I
many things.
swear. Yeah. Nice to see you live, everybody, and nice for you all to join in. So, if you have any questions that we should be answering for our interview tomorrow, please feel free to write on, and we will be sure to answer them. And yeah, just talk about our modeling days, our journey, our so many shows I've done for Rena, and
Thank
uh,
you.
and
What
such
a world
amazing
that was.
time.
Yeah.
What a world that was. Now it seems like once upon a time.
I really feel like eras, like so many things. I mean, you look back, it's no use. It's just great that I have that connect with
Yeah.
you, that very nice of you to support me like this, you know to give me this time, and it means a lot, Pooja. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. No, it absolutely is my pleasure. And, I love doing things like these. And especially all my friends in the US, they are very, very into, indigenous crafts. So, this is something I would talk about so that even in America, people will get to know. They'll go great heights to spend money on tribe crafts that are
Yeah.
endangered. You know,
So
they,
these are like absolute tribals. So that would be
wow.
great. Maybe we can in the future think
Yeah,
of doing something when things are normal, where you can
yes,
help bridge that, you know, but the US economy is a very supportive economy of uh, indigenous crafts, and there will
very,
be
yeah,
so much similarity if you really look in the history of what
yeah,
is Indian and what is their Indian. You know,
yes,
there are many tribes which are like, I feel the Nagaland feathers, you know, like
yeah. And if you tell them
um,
it's home, it's handmade and it's
yeah,
crafted, they have a
exactly.
special sort of affection for those kind of objects.
They care. I think it's a
They
more
care.
evolved society. It is
Yeah,
definitely. I mean, I'm not a USA fan, but I do love the country, I must say.
yeah,
I've had
me too.
experiences in USA.
Yeah,
So do
me
you miss
too.
it sometimes, like being away from America?
I actually chose Reena to be in India during this time, so I flew back and I wanted to be with my mom, dad, and I wanted to be with Nawab. And he had projects here in India. He was shooting just before the major lockdown started. He was shooting, and I wasn't
Okay.
doing anything there, though it was pilot season. But I thought, this lockdown's going to happen and COVID was
Yeah.
spreading. So I chose to come to India. So I'm actually enjoying every bit of it here.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
loving being in India, and I'm so
And your
thankful I'm
parents
not
must
in.
be so happy.
They are very happy, and I'm so thankful that I hate what's happening in the US. It's just
Yeah,
disheartening, but
of
at the
course. Yeah.
same time, it's very scary to be, there alone and, going through this whole pandemic is not an easy feat. So I'm happy I'm
One
here.
needs to go home. And that's really what the migrants taught us. In all
Yeah,
that, you know, horrifying situation we saw, but
yeah,
really what also came through is that a person will go through anything to reach home
yeah,
and wherever one's home is. Yeah.
exactly,
Are you
exactly.
an army family? Are you by any
Yes,
chance?
yes,
I
yes,
thought
my,
so. Yeah, Ki Barat. And that
yeah,
patriotism of the children, you know, it's overwhelming. It's fantastic. You must
yeah,
thank your father for all the time he gave. You know, indirectly, each one of them
yeah,
really contributed
yeah.
to our safety.
Our safety. And I'm actually in a beautiful cantonment, which is an army cantonment.
Okay.
It's called Mahu. It's a beautiful city near Indore called Mahu,
Oh,
and
wow.
it's full of army. And with the present situation of how our country is surrounded by
Yeah.
these Chinese people trying
Threat.
to occupy our land, and which they have
Yeah.
been ever since. It's
Yeah.
just so uh, it's so anger driven, this whole
Yeah.
scenario. It just is,
Yeah.
and especially in this atmosphere, you feel all the more charged
Yeah.
with the, whatever happened in Galwan and everything. I get
Yeah.
very charged with the whole army thing. I take it personally.
But it is personal, you know, and it's tragic, the loss of life, and of course, the fact
Yeah,
that they're reaching our territory, and how
yeah,
to safeguard ourselves. Without a loss of
yeah. I
life, it's
mean,
very, very tough.
yeah, and this is especially now when they don't follow any treaties, because there
Yeah.
definitely was a treaty that no arms, both the armies on both sides of the LAC don't have to be with weapons. So India was following the treaty,
Yeah.
and there these guys are not following. So what do you do to such a stupid nation that doesn't follow any rules, you know?
Well,
So
I'm a Buddhist, so what we do is we chant, you know, and we really have a prayer which used to sound earlier, you know, it's a very important prayer they have is that you have to chant for peace and security for the four corners of the land, you know, of the earth basically. And it may sound a little bit Miss India-ish, but you know, really it is required
yeah,
because we are all so interconnected and
yeah.
human life has to be safe guarded, you know. Army man also is a why must they sacrifice their lives? I really feel sad about that. That young boy, 23-year-old soldier who passed away. Oh,
Good age, yeah.
stage, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and and this is when my dad talks about it, it's interesting to know that this is not the first time China has encroached on Indian territory. They've been encroaching ever since '69, and even in Assam, tried to encroach. Even in that pass,
Modern
which
language.
is
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, which is that pass which connects the east
yeah,
to the rest of the
exactly.
India. They've
Yeah.
tried to encroach, and many times they've done it. That's their inherent nature. They try to encroach lands of other countries. That's what they're doing. So I guess,
Anyway, I hope this finds a solution which is some kind of a miracle, which is peaceful, and we be
somebody,
left with our land.
I know somebody said 21 years of Hasina Maan Jayegi. Please speak about it.
Okay, so let's
The-
do that. That will be nice.
yeah,
That was a big hit, no? The iconic moment of Hindi cinema, na? Of
yeah.
Hasina Jayegi. I'm gonna see if I can see it tonight. I would love to see it. I love Hindi. The Govinda kind of dance drama. Hindi
Uh,
English humor films where it's overlapping, meaning to them.
yeah,
Those
yeah.
are
We can talk about that. We can talk about Virasat, my movie. We
my
can
ras.
talk about some of my Hollywood projects that I did.
Yeah.
Okay, we will mention Chandralekha as a Malayalam movie I did with Mohanlal, which was,
He's a very famous actor, Mohanlal. Yes.
yeah, Mohanlal has won more national awards than we've done movies.
Oh my
He's
God.
he's
I feel
so
they're
amazing.
so talented actually. South Indian cinema is now very much into the mainstream. We all watch it at home with dubbing. It's
Yeah,
very, they make such great cinema. Some
yeah,
of it.
yeah,
Yeah.
some of it.
Yeah.
Somebody was saying that I think Chandralekha is now available on Amazon Prime, so I have to recheck my Twitter. So that'd be great.
I'll put that.
Yeah. Was wondering where you disappeared. Love, I was in the United States of America for 17 years, so that's where I disappeared. You look stunning in a sari. Thank you so much. This is so sweet.
I will send you a
I
tribal
love you
sari
very
for
much too. Oh, so sweet. You do
I don't know
you
when
do
it'll
your
be.
amazing tribal sari. You do saris yourself, Reena, right?
Yeah.
You do
I'm very good
amazing
at it, Sari.
clothes.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
do. I'm sending you some of my dresses, a jumpsuit, but we put it in a post, but I don't know when it will go through because of there is a lot of courier slowdown with the lockdown.
right,
Do you
right,
have,
right.
I'll maybe ask you later, like if you have a Mumbai address so I can post.
This is Amazon and all comes here very easy. So
Oh,
there is
then I'm
no,
sure, yeah,
yeah.
because they're that, so they must be en route.
Yeah, yeah. Amazon literally comes. I order from Amazon my painting stuff and everything. It literally comes here. This address is not this
I'm
thing
going to tell
anymore.
Amazon, I'm going to send this video to Amazon. They're going to love that. Natural
Jeff
endorsement. No better
Jeff
than that.
Bezos, I swear, Jeff Bezos is the only guy making money right now.
There were two, three others. There's a person I read about there from Australia called
Yeah,
Canva, and I've been using Canva also myself. I learned it. So
yeah.
there's all this internet, the gaming business, then of course
Gaming business.
sanitizer, yeah, and
Sanitizers have gone.
entertainment. Entertainment is going to do well. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Provided people are on set. I mean, how do you get actors on set? That's
yeah,
the tricky
yeah,
part.
yeah.
So, thank you so much. This is so cool. And we can talk about, like you were saying, you do chanting. We can talk
Yeah.
about, I
Buddhism.
do
I
the,
practice Buddhism. Yeah.
yeah, so we can chant that. I chant the Shanti mantra pretty much
Shanti
every
is
day,
very good. Yeah, yeah.
which is
I
also
also say
talking
a lot
about,
of times I can't sleep. I say Om Shanti Om, and I say all
yeah,
this Gayatri mantra to myself because they just keep me going. Otherwise, I chant Nam Myoho Renge Kyo.
you chant Nam Myoho Renge.
Yeah,
Yeah, so cool. And so, how are your sons and where are they right now? Are they in Delhi with you or they're
yeah. He
away?
was brought home. They weren't in India, but they were brought
Okay.
back, and
Where were
then
they?
so one is in London. He was at King's College with law, doing law, but
Okay.
he
Wow.
graduated online. He's a class of 2020, so he's had no
Wow.
graduation ceremony. Um, Sad.
Yeah.
But other one he was trying to work in Dubai, so he was brought back. But now we are all at home. And then between me and my husband, we were always traveling. Nobody knew whose feet were in the door at what time. So the
Right.
lockdown has been quite blissful in that sense
Everybody is
that
together.
everybody's together, yeah. And maybe nature wants this as a priority, and we were looking at it in another way. So who
Right.
knows?
Yeah, nobody knows the future.
Yeah, nobody knows the future. Well,
Yeah,
until then, I am going to
until
take you. You can say your byes to your fans, Pooja, because there
then.
must be so many of them.
Hi from Lahore, a big hi back. Yes, it's got all as one family. Yes, COVID, one of the, and many other things, you know. I mean, if you look at it, because every suffering teaches you some, gives you some
Exactly.
gyan by the end of it. So it's how you look at it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So
So
I
thank
want to
you very
bid.
much for this. And
So,
please go ahead, tell your fans because I'm not a film star. I don't even know how you girls have like billions of followers, man.
not me. I've not reached a million as yet.
Not a bad thing. Who cares? I mean,
It doesn't
that,
matter.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
I
you
mean,
really get fan following. Like, crazy.
oh no, and I don't know why, but I've just begun following you. I didn't know where I've just followed you back, so we'll stay more in touch.
I appreciate it. I'm grateful and I'm touched and honored because it benefits me to have a Pooja Batra follow me.
Absolutely. And so tomorrow at noon, same time, and
And
how do we
yeah.
do that? We'll have to
So
figure that
the
out.
studio is going to be recording it, so I'll send you the thing on as a
Okay,
message or a link,
okay.
and NewsX. So then they will play this on a weekday and on a weekend, and I'll share that link with
Oh,
you
great. So
further.
I just record it my way and send it to you, or you will send me a
No, no,
questionnaire.
so the whole studio does it. The NewsX,
Oh,
the news channel, is going to host it.
so we
So
just
we
have to
won't be
log
on
into
our
their,
platform. Yeah, yeah,
okay, we have to log into their platform.
their platform. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. All right. That sounds fun. So maybe we can connect around 11:30 just to see how to kind of
To
get
do a
into.
thing. Okay, yeah, sure, sure. That'll be great. There'll be a person I'll introduce you today, Richa from NewsX. She'll sort of host it.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you so much. So guys, please watch Reena and my interview, which is going to be on NewsX. And yeah, and I'm here to support Reena for sure and the indigenous craft of the
Yeah.
tribal people from India. And we wish you the same, wish you all do the same. And big love, stay well, stay safe. And I want to wish you muchas love. I am
Muchas love.
fantastic. Yeah, I am fantastic. So take care, everybody. Reena, I'll see you again tomorrow.
You again, babe. Thank you and
Oh,
love to Nawab and your parents.
I will say love to Nawab. Thanks, and my parents. And
Yeah, your parents. Take care.
bye.
Bye bye.